Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today, in this particular session, we are going to complete the remaining part of the poem Leisure. Leisure is a poem written by William Henry Davies. Through this particular poem, he would like to tell you the importance of the nature in our life. We all know it very well that in this modern world, people are so busy. They're always living their life in the schedule, or you can call their life as the scheduled life. So in this scheduled life, people don't have the time to appreciate the beauty of the nature. Even they're not sparing the time to enjoy their own life. And due to that, so many consequences were happened. And in this particular poem, poet calls our life as the poor life, because we are totally cut off from the nature. And due to that, we don't have the time to enjoy our own life. So in this particular poem, we are going to see that what kind of the things he would like to tell you. So without wasting the time, we are going to see the next couplet of this particular poem, Leisure. So अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, please to subscribe our channel for new and innovative learning of English language. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please to subscribe. So let's see the next couplet. Here in this particular couplet, the poet said, "No time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet how they can dance." No time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet how they can dance. So now in this particular couplet, the poet directly compared the nature with a beautiful girl. And whenever these young girls, they were actually dancing, they look so beautiful. So of course nature is also having the same quality or having this particular beauty. And the poet once again complained that we don't have the time to look the beauty of the young girls. Those who are dancing and those who are doing are giving their better performances. But here remember, you have to consider beauty as a nature. And we don't have the time to appreciate the beauty of the nature. And due to that, the poet said, no time to turn at beauty's glance. It means something is good. जब भी आपको कहीं पे कुछ अच्छा नज़ारा दिखाई देता है, तो उस वक्त आपको वहाँ पे रुक के उस मोमेंट का उस मोमेंट का जो आपको आनंद लेना है, वो आपको लेना पड़ेगा. Because basically this is the life. Because if we're wasting our life on so many things, if we're just behind the money and we don't have the time to enjoy our life, so what is the use of life? So here remember once again and again, the poet would like to tell you that we don't have the time. And due to that, we missed so many things in our life. And the most essential factor we missed in our life, that is happiness. Because ultimate purpose of our life is what? That we need to gain, or we would like to have the happiness in our life. So here remember, it's very important factor. The poet reflects that we don't have the time to look at the beauty. Glance means किसी चीज की तरफ देखना. So here beauty means a beautiful young girl. And this young girl directly compared with the nature. So always whenever you have the time, that time always enjoy the beauty of the nature. In the next couplet, the poet once again said, no time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes began. It means whenever smile came on your face, जब भी हंसी आपके चेहरे पे आती है, so उसकी शुरुआत जो होती है तो आपकी आंखों से होती है. It means our smile started with our eyes. And we don't have the time to look at that particular smile. So this is very pathetic condition, and in this pathetic condition we are living our lives. हम इस तरह से हमारी जिंदगी जी रहे हैं. So it means remember, now this is the time for you to change the scenario of your life. It's very important to think over it seriously. Because if you're not serious about this particular thing, so definitely you will miss out so many things in your life. And the most essential factor, that is happiness. You'll be definitely not happy if you forget about the beauty of nature. if you forget about the happy moments. Because life is totally about the happy moments. Because when you will be old, that time remember you will definitely not remember that what exactly you have earned. But whatever the moments you have enjoyed, you will get to remember when you will be old. So it's very important to create the memories for our old age. And of course, this is our own responsibility. वहाँ पे कोई और नहीं आएगा. This is the responsibility of your own, and you have to take it on your shoulder. So let's see that we no time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes began. So we don't have the time to see the smile on the face of that beautiful girl, or you can say nature, because this is the nature. And whenever breezes were there, that time all the trees were swinging and all the flowers, they are gradually blooming. And if you are seeing them blooming, so definitely this is an ecstasy moment for you. So here remember, it's very important to see the beauty in each and every aspect of the nature. So here in the last couplet of this particular poem, the poet once again said that our life is poor, because our life, we're all the time anxious, we're all the time under stress, and due to that remember we don't have the time to enjoy the beauty of the nature. And here he said that a poor life this, if full of care. If our life is full of worries, our life is full of anxiety, if our life is full of stress, so what is the use of it? Our life is useless. So here he said that we are totally cut off from the nature. We have no time to stand and stare. It means if we are standing somewhere, if we are staring to something, so that time we understand the exact beauty of that particular thing. If we don't have the time to know about the beauty, if we don't have the time to stare to something, or if you don't have the time to stand, so that time what is the use of our life? So don't be that much busy and don't waste your life. So he said that this is the poor life, if we totally cut off from the touch of the nature. So always be in touch of the nature whenever you are getting the time. And in a year, in a month, at least you should have some time. ऐसा कोई फुर्सत का वक्त होना चाहिए कि जिस वक्त आपको, या जो वक्त आप अपने लिए गुजार सकते हो. You have to spend that particular time for yourself. So here in this beautiful poem, William Henry Davies again and again told you the importance of the nature in our lives. And this is exact truth. This is the truth, or this is the reality of current life or modern life. Nowadays we don't have the nature, because we have the conflict between the human beings and the nature. All the time we have the conflict in between nature and human beings. And human beings, they are the whole responsible for the deteriorating the beauty of the nature. So it's very important to save the beauty of the nature with your perspective. That is the positive perspective you should have. And it's very important that you should have positive outlook towards the life. And so if you are giving the importance to the nature, so definitely nature will definitely gives you satisfaction, happiness, and all the things you want in return. So with this concluding remark, I would like to thank you for watching my videos. Stay home, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you everyone.